A man sentenced to 2 years in jail for seriously injuring a child.
Anthony Bastine was sentenced in Henderson County today following a plea bargain on felony child abuse charges.
News 13's Cheryl Barber's live from the courthouse. Cheryl, he could have gotten a much longer sentence.
The maximum could have been 7 years, but the judge gave him 2 because of that plea bargain. Bastine's wife says that's not enough time.
She cannot speak right now.
Tyla Bastine says her toddler Melanie is now a happy little girl, still struggling from her head injuries a year ago.
She's 14 months old, speaking at a 6-month level. She's just can't understand what you're saying. She's not saying mama. She can't really talk.
Today she told the court she disagreed with a plea bargain. She says her husband, Anthony Bastine, deserves far more prison time because of 2 alleged incidents of abuse. She says doctors agree their child may suffer long-term mental disabilities from shaken baby syndrome, even though she recovered physically.
I do not believe just because she healed, it should be any less of a charge. So he did the act. It doesn't matter what happened, it will never change what he did.
The plea bargain allowed Anthony to plead guilty to a lesser punishment because of several factors, including the confession he made to deputies about shaking the baby. He's been in jail for a year awaiting trial, which means he could spend about a year behind bars before his release. Now, Tyla is still concerned about what could happen when Anthony is set free.
He makes threats. He could be crazy. It's not a if he will show them a house, it's a when. I hear TV go on about drug people getting life in prison. But if you abuse a child more than once, you get 2 years.
Anthony Bastine's attorney declined a camera interview. Tyla Bastine says she's filed for divorce and she has custody of her child. Reporting live in Hendersonville, I'm Cheryl Barber, News 13.